Here's the 3-needle bind off, and as the name suggests, we're using 3 needles. We have the wrong side or the purl side showing for both these black swatches and white swatches, and we're going to hold these 2 needles parallel. This is actually both ends of a circular needle. I have my 3rd needle here, and we're going to bind off, and it's going to make a seam that lies on top of the fabric. So that's why I'm having it show up on the inside. So insert into the 1st stitch knitwise, insert into the 2nd stitch knitwise, and knit 2 together. So you're bringing that loop all the way to the front, and then both stitches come off the needle. Now you've got 2 knits complete, and using one of your needles here, we're just going to bind off that stitch. Okay, so the 3 steps are knit the 2 stitches together on the 2 needles, take the old stitches off, and then bind off a stitch. So that's going to give you this like chain on the top, and I'll keep going to the end of the row so you can see what it looks like. If you wanted a visible chain, this is a nice bind off for like the top of a shoulder, and then you'll have a shoulder seam. But if you want it to be visible, just make sure that you have the right side of the fabric facing outward when you're doing this. So right now I have the purl side facing outward, and it's making an invisible seam, or a seam that's going to be on the inside of the piece. All right, we've got 3 more. One more, here we go. Okay, and then bind off the last one. So here is what it looks like. Actually, it looks not too bad. It's a little fiddly. And then here's what it looks like on the other side.